Hi guys, this is Sonic and James. All right, this is Sonic here. All right, I would like to talk about this week look ahead. This week market look ahead. All right, this week gonna be a quite a busy week in my opinion. Because we will be having JPY related news coming in, which is today by the way, and we will be having tomorrow. Sorry, or not tomorrow. On Thursday, we will be having an ECB press conference, and of course it will end on Friday with British pound and JPY governor will be speaking as well. So this week gonna be a very big week for especially JPY and JPY, Euro and British pound. Okay, so these three pair gonna be under highlight. Okay, so I would like to start with the one of the important one. All right, let me talk about UJ here. All right, being UJ, right? What is happening here? What is happening here is that okay, they you know they are in a pretty much on the oversold kind of oversold region at the moment. All right, as you can see here, they really went all the way down, right? They really went all the way down somewhere around 110 level, and they are sort of been held back so far. In my opinion, this is where a lot of short traders are being trapped. All right, so what is gonna happen is in the long run, market stay bearish for sure, but you know, since there's a lot of late short traders are in, I think they may go back up a little bit higher up to whip them out first. So my take is that yes, in the longer run, it's only look for a short. Meanwhile, they may do a sort of like a knee-jerk reaction. They may do they may do a temporary rebound, in my opinion. So they can go up to 112.5 or even 113.5 level. But in my opinion, it is better or is carry a higher chance of winning. I mean, more probability if you look for a short, wait for a momentum shift. I mean, let the price rise up, right? Then wait and then more and more bearish candles show up. This is what I mean by momentum shift. Then you will try to short it down further. I think this will make a better trade for you. All right. Okay. As you may already know, we have we have. Let me move this on a little bit. Okay, as you may already know, we have this government shutdown is over. You know, I mean, they are doing a lot of hoo-ha, but it's over within a few days, which is not bad. So in my opinion, Dow Jones have they are gonna continue. They may continue their rise up. Okay, there is nothing for us to be bearish about. If you look at it even in the weekly time frame level, what they are doing is that they are having a very strong bullish engulfing candle a week after week. So in my opinion, we are stay pretty much on the healthy uptrend. Okay, so I mean, if you are looking for a short, I think you have to wait for more confirmation to do so, and likely to go up higher is there. All right, so I'm stay bullish, pretty much bullish on the Dow Jones as well. All right, then another one is Euro US dollars. Okay, Euro US dollar, right? They have a rate decision today. Okay, they have a rate decision today. Sure. They have a pretty much rate decision today. So what is happening here is that they are on the very much of the resistance right now. As you can see from here, around 1.23 level gonna be a very strong resistance in my opinion, and likely that they may fail to break up further. So my take is that, you know, if they fail to break up this around 1.23, around 1.232 level, if they cannot break that level, I think they will go back down to 1.20 level as a minimum retest. So talking about the potential topping up scenario is forming here. So Euro USD, this week gonna be quite eventful week. I think they might swing back down a little bit. Okay, so I'm expecting they can go back down to 1.203, somewhere around that region. All right, so I have done US dollar JPY, I have covered Dow Jones, I have covered Euro USD. Okay, last but not least, I will be covering US dollar Canadian. Okay, US dollar Canadian is not only because of US dollars, because of the Canadian as well. As you know, if the oil price is rising, those Canadian pairs such as US dollar Canadian, or you know, anything that pair against Canadian, they will go down because they are inversely proportional, right? But when the oil price is going down, this pair like US dollar Canadian can rise up. In my opinion, we still have a bit of a bit of climb to do so. I think they were slowly picking up and they will go up higher. Okay, they can go back higher to around this level, such as like a 1.257 or even 1.265 level. I think you know, these are the level that are quite a logical TP place for a swing back trade. So I'm slightly bullish on US dollar Canadian. All right, so I will not be talking too much because I just want to make sure that, you know, as you know, to be, I mean, cover little and give you guys better information. So I have cover for UJ, DJ, Euro USD, and US dollar Canadian. Okay, James, you can take it back. Thank you very much.
Okay, so over my end, I'll be talking about three pairs. So the first and foremost would be the Euro to New Zealand dollars. So in the weekly time frame, we can see that EN is still quite in a bearish momentum in the last week. All right, so following this week, I'm looking at the price could continue to go down even lower. All right, so we have this entire up move, which was to stop out those that had shorted along this big sell down previously. So right now in this week, I'm looking that it would still go down even lower. All right, so where could the target price be eventually? Will be at this 1.65 area. Okay, so 1.68 would be the resistance level which one could enter for a good lowest entry. All right, so this was a previous consolidation zone, so you can look at how even the candles reacts when it was approaching this zone. We can see two engulfing candle and price have some difficulties to go up above this 1.684 level. All right, so for this pair, I'm still bearish on it. Similarly, on EA, we are also seeing a similar kind of structure. All right, so we have a nice engulfing candle on last week. So this week, with 1.54 zone, this nice resistance, can look at how the price reacts to it. This acting as a nice resistance zone, I would say that price could go down even lower. All right, so for the last 3 days, price seems to have some difficulties to go above this 1.534 level. So this would be the first resistance, and then this will be a major resistance above it. All right, so with this kind of structure, we are still pretty bearish, kind of like a lower low being seen. Price could not break above this 1.54 zone. So eventually, I would expect price to go down even lower to this 1.5125 level. Okay, so this will be our support level, or I would say our target zone, which we could look to exit our position. Last but not least, the pound to New Zealand dollars. Okay, what we are seeing in the weekly, this could be a kind of like a stop hunting move and price move up higher. All right, but in the weekly, we can see that over here we have this kind of wick, which is a nice resistance zone. So even if you want to be bullish cautiously. All right, because we have a nice resistance level here and price is still not making any significant bullish momentum upwards. So if you want to look for a short trade, this would of course be a good low risk entry for you to short over at this area around this 1.92 area. So with this as a resistance zone, price could go down even lower. All right, however, if this is broken, then beware of your short trade. All right, if this price just go upwards, we should always be looking to buy upon retrace. All right, so these are our view on this market outlook. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the upcoming week. Thank you.